To put a drill bit into Ozito's drill, first I'm going to push this tab here and I'm going to put it into reverse. When it's in reverse, I'm going to pinch the front of the tool here and very slowly pull the trigger, and we can see how it's going to open up at the front there. So that's all the way open now, and it's easy to put the drill bit in. You can also do this manually, but I feel like the best way to do it is by very slowly pressing the trigger, and I'm going to hold this sleeve once again, put the drill into forwards, and I'm going to hold that trigger, and it's going to slowly get tight around that drill bit. And once it's starting to get tight, I'm just going to twist it the rest of the way, or if you don't want to press the trigger, you can just keep twisting it by your hand manually the entire way. I'm going to go until it's completely tight, and then just back the other way half a turn, and now that drill bit is completely held in place. You're ready to go, and to remove it, you can do the same thing, put your drill into reverse, or you can just grab the sleeve and twist that in an anti-clockwise direction.